The circle icons in the down side of your screen are the menu. The circle in the middle, the big one, is the main menu. Here you can find different tabs. The first one is Discover. Here you can see what events are running. The second one is Events. Here you can manage events or enter events that are happening or are about to happen. The next one is Worlds. Here you can find words that you can, all the words listed in Altspace. You can visit, the one is Worlds. Here you can visit all the worlds that are in Altspace. The next one is People. Here you can find your friends, add friends, and message them. The next one is Me. Here you can customize your avatar. The next one is Settings. Here are all the global settings from Altspace. The next one is Settings. Here are all the settings from Altspace. If anytime you are stuck in a world or you have problems, you can push the re-enter button and you will be prompted to the start. Above the main menu, it's a microphone menu. Here you can activate or deactivate your microphone. The next one is the emoji menu. Here you can send emojis to your friends. The next one is the bubble menu. Here you can put a bubble if you feel surrounded by too many people. The next one are the camera menus. Here you can take selfies or take screenshots and share it via web or in social media. The next one is the home menu. Here you can go to your home wherever you want. If you need help, you can send a message to your host and he will reply to you. The next one is the browser. You can put a web browser wherever you want and visit links and web pages.